About table. We use many word features to make our data presentable. One such feature is a table. A table is an arrangement of rows and columns. A row is the horizontal arrangement of data and a column is the vertical arrangement of data. This intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. This is what a table looks like with its components.
Creating a table. There are multiple methods for creating and inserting a table in Word. Let us learn them. Using table grid. To insert a table using table grid, follow these steps. Click on the Insert tab. From the Tables group, click on the Table command. A drop-down menu appears. The menu shows a grid. Hover over this grid to select the number of rows and columns you want in your table. The table will be inserted in your document. Using Insert Table command. To insert a custom table, follow these steps. Click on the Insert tab. From the Tables group, click on the Tables command. A drop-down menu appears. Click on the Insert Table command. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Select the number of columns and rows you want in your table. Click on the OK button to insert the table in your documents. Using Quick Tables. Quick Tables are pre-designed and pre-formatted templates of tables. To insert a table using Quick Tables, follow these steps. Click on the Insert tab. From the Tables group, click on the Table command and hover over the Quick Tables option. From the list of table designs, choose the desired template that you wish to insert. A table gets inserted in the document. You can now replace the data with the new data. Entering data in a table. To insert data in a table, follow these steps. Click on the cell where you want to enter the data. Type the required data in the cell. Press the Tab key or the arrow keys to move to the next cell and continue entering data. Navigating in a table. While working with tables, you must be able to move around quickly. The keyboard shortcuts listed below will help you navigate through a table. Keyboard shortcut, Function, Tab or right arrow key, move to the next cell. Alt plus Home, move to the first cell in a row. Shift plus Tab or left arrow key, move to the previous cell. Alt plus PG up, move to the first cell in a column. Up arrow, move to the previous row. Alt plus PG down, move to the last cell in a column. Down arrow, move to the next row. Alt plus Home, move to the first cell in a table. Alt plus End, move to the last cell in a row. Alt plus End, move to the last cell in a table. Modifying a table. We can modify an existing table according to our needs. Let us learn how to do it. Adding a row. To add a row to your table, follow these steps. Select the row where you want to insert the table. From the Layout tab, click on the Insert Above and Insert Below command in the Rows and Columns group. Observe that a new row will be added to the table. Deleting a row. To delete a row from a table, follow these steps. Select the row you want to delete. From the Layout tab, click on the Delete command in the Rows and Columns group. A drop-down menu appears. Click on the Delete Rows option to delete the entire row. Adding a column. To add a column to the table, follow these steps. Select the column where you want to add the column. From the Layout tab, click on the Insert Left or Insert Right command in the Rows and Columns group. A new column will be added to your table in the left or right side of the selected column based on your choice. Deleting a column. To delete a column from the table, follow these steps. Select the column you want to delete. From the Layout tab, click on the Delete command in the Rows and Columns group. A drop-down menu appears. From the drop-down menu, click on the Delete Columns option. The column will be deleted. Changing column width or row height. To alter the size of the cells, follow these steps. Click on the cell that you want to modify. Click on the Layout tab. From the cell size group, change the values in the height and width text box. You will see that the shape of the cell changes. Merging and splitting cells. Merging refers to combining two or more cells to form a bigger cell. Usually, cells are merged when you need to form a category and demonstrate subcategories. Breaking up a bigger cell into smaller cells is known as splitting cells. Let us understand how to perform these tasks. Merging cells. To merge cells, follow these steps. Select the cells that you want to merge. From the Layout tab, click on the Merge Cells command in the Merge group. The cells will be merged. Splitting cells. To split a merged cell, follow these steps. Select the merged cells that you want to split. From the Layout tab, click on the Split Cells command in the Merge group. The cells will be divided. Resizing a table. Increasing or decreasing the size of the table is known as resizing the table. To resize a table, follow these steps. Click or hover your mouse pointer over the table. Doing so will reveal a square-shaped handle on the bottom right corner of the table. Click on this handle and drag the mouse without releasing the mouse button. This will change the shape of the table. You can then move the mouse accordingly to adjust the shape of the table. Formatting a table. By default, in Word, a table appears with black border around each cell. There are many built-in styles that we can use to change the appearance of our table. Applying border and shading. Borders can improve appearance of a table. They also make it easier to visually and separate the information in different cells and make it more readable for the user. Applying the borders. To apply borders to your table, follow these steps. Select the table by clicking on the Move handle of the table. Click on the Table Design tab. Click on the Borders command from the Borders group. A drop-down menu appears. Click on the Border and Shading option from the drop-down menu. The Border and Shading dialog box appear. From the dialog box, select the type, style and color of the border you like. Click on OK. The changes will be applied to the table. Applying shading. Shading refers adding colors to the cells in a table. It helps the table look attractive and presentable. To apply shading effects to the cells, follow these steps. Select the cells to which you want to apply the shading effects. Click on the Shading command in the Table Styles group. From the Table Design group, a drop-down menu appears. Select a color. It will be applied to the cells. Applying table style. Table styles are a bunch of ready-to-use style templates that you can use to format your table instantly. To apply table styles, follow these steps. Click on the table. The Table Design tab appears. From the Table Styles group, click on the style that you like. The style will be applied to your table.